Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood Crypto and manage your portfolio, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app on your device or visit the Robinhood website on your browser. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter the email address associated with your Robinhood account. Next, input your password. Make sure to check the Remember Me box if you want your device to save your login information for future use. Click the Login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code via your chosen method. Enter the code in the designated field and click Submit. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your portfolio overview. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To manage your crypto portfolio, select the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your current holdings and their performance. To view more detailed information about a specific cryptocurrency, tap on its name. You can see the price, market trends, and charts to evaluate potential investments. To buy or sell crypto, locate the Trade button, usually found on the cryptocurrencies page. Select Buy or Sell, depending on your desired action. Enter the amount you wish to purchase or sell. Review the estimated total and confirm your transaction. You can also track your portfolio's performance by checking the Account section. Here, you will find a summary of your assets and their respective values. To set alerts for price changes, click on the specific cryptocurrency and choose the Alert option. You can customize the price points for notifications based on your trading strategy. Make sure to explore the educational resources on the platform to enhance your trading knowledge. Utilize these features to effectively manage and grow your Robinhood crypto portfolio. Always remember to review your investments regularly and stay informed about market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.